You are hungry. You walk into a big store. There is food everywhere. Red apples, fresh bread, cold milk. But can you name them in English? Stay with me. Today, we go to the supermarket. Hello, I'm Zach. Welcome to English Made Real with Zach. This story is perfect for beginners and A1 English learners. No grammar rules, just a story. Listen, imagine, and speak. Let's go.
It is Saturday morning. Alex wakes up at 7 a.m. He is hungry. He goes to the kitchen. He opens the fridge. The fridge is empty. There is no milk. There are no eggs. There is no juice. Alex looks in the cupboard. There is no bread. There is no coffee. Alex says, "I need food." He takes his shoes. He puts on his jacket. He takes a small bag. He is ready to go. He leaves his house. Alex walks down the street. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. He sees a dog. He sees a cat. He walks to the bus stop. But today, he does not take the bus. He wants to walk. Walking is a good exercise. Alex arrives at the supermarket. The supermarket is very big. It is called the Fresh Market. There are many people. Some people have big shopping carts. Some people have small shopping baskets. Alex takes a red shopping basket. Alex goes to the produce section first. This is the place for fruits and vegetables. He sees the apples. There are red apples. There are green apples. Alex likes red apples. They are sweet. He takes 5 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He puts them in his basket. Next, he sees the bananas. The bananas are yellow. They look very good. He takes a bunch of bananas. Then he sees the oranges. He remembers his kitchen. He asks himself, "Do I have oranges?" Yes, he has 4 oranges at home. He does not need oranges today. Alex looks for grapes. He finds them. The grapes are purple. He loves grapes. He puts a bag of grapes in his basket. Now, Alex looks at the vegetables. He has a list in his head. He needs carrots. He finds the carrots. They are bright orange. He takes 1 bag of carrots. He needs onions. He takes 3 big onions. 1, 2, 3. He sees the broccoli. It looks like a small green tree. He takes 1 head of broccoli. He sees the cabbage. It is big and round. Alex says, maybe next time. He does not take the cabbage today. He looks for mushrooms. He finds them near the salad. He takes 1 small box of mushrooms. Alex's basket is getting heavy, but he is not finished. Alex walks to the back of the store. It is cold here. This is the dairy section. He needs milk. He sees many options. Regular milk, skim milk, fat-free milk. He chooses regular milk. He takes 1 carton of milk. Next, he needs eggs. He is very careful. Eggs are fragile. He opens the carton. He checks the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No eggs are broken. He puts the eggs in his basket. Alex wants cheese. There is cheddar cheese. There is mozzarella cheese. Alex likes both. He takes a bag of marble cheese. It is a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Alex smells something delicious. It is the bakery. He sees the bread. Alex stands in front of the bread. The smell is like a hug. It is warm. It is soft. He remembers his mother. His mother is a teacher. She always made toast in the morning. Alex touches the bread. It is fresh. He thinks about breakfast tomorrow. He will have toast and eggs. He will drink coffee. He will be happy. He takes one loaf of white bread. He also sees some cookies. He likes cookies. He takes a small bag of chocolate chip cookies.
Alex goes to the meat section. He sees chicken, he sees beef, he sees fish. Alex's sister Julia is coming for dinner. Julia loves fish. Alex chooses 2 pieces of fresh salmon. It is pink and healthy. Alex is almost done. He walks past the snacks. He sees the chocolate bars. He stops. He takes one chocolate bar. It is his favorite. He puts it on top of his basket.
Alex goes to the front of the store. There are many lines. He chooses a short line. There is a woman in front of him. She has many items. Alex waits patiently. He checks his phone. Now it is Alex's turn. The cashier is a young man. The cashier scans the items. The cashier looks at Alex and says, "Do you have a shopping bag?" "Yes," Alex says. He gives his small bag to the cashier. "That is $45, the cashier says. Alex takes out his wallet. He does not have cash. "Can I pay by credit card?" Alex asks. "Yes, of course," the cashier says. Alex puts his card in the machine. He enters his PIN. "Thank you. Have a nice day," the cashier says. "You too," Alex says. Alex leaves the store. His bag is heavy now. He walks slowly. He feels the weight of the milk and the carrots. He is tired, but he is happy. He arrives at his apartment. He goes inside. He puts the bag on the kitchen table. He takes out the milk. He puts it in the fridge. He takes out the eggs. He puts them in the fridge. He takes out the salmon. He is ready for dinner. He sits on his sofa. He relaxes. He looks at his full fridge. Today was a good day, Alex says. He did not waste his time. He did a good job. He is ready for a beautiful Saturday. Alex is home. He has food. He has a plan. And you? You have new words. Did you like this story? What is your favorite food at the supermarket? Tell me in the comments. I read every comment. If this video helped you, please subscribe to English Made Real with Zach. Don't stop now. Your English is getting better every day. Keep listening and speaking. I'm Zach. See you in the next story. Bye for now.